What are you drinking?
Lemonade.
Do you like lemonade?
Yeah.
Is it your favorite?
That's my favorite.
What's your favorite?
Lemonade.
Lemon is your favorite?
Yeah.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Mmm. I love Perrier water. That's my favorite. What's your favorite?
Lemonade.
Lemonade. Is it sour?
No, it's good.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's not sour.
No?
Yeah, don't sour.
Mine is sour?
Yeah, yours.
Perrier is sour? You don't like Perrier?
No,
Why?
because it's your favorite. It's not my favorite.
It's not
Lemonade is my favorite.
Okay. Perrier is my favorite. Lemonade is your favorite. Do you like the bubbles in the Perrier water?
No.
No?
No.
Why?
Yeah, the bubbles are icky.
The bubbles are icky?
Yeah, the bubbles are icky.
I like bubbles. You don't? Want to taste my Perrier water? No? Cheers.
Now we cheers. Now we drink.
Drink.
Mmm,
Delicious.
delicious.
I love it.
I love it too.
You're pretty cute. Are you cute? You're a sweet boy. Right?